Today I'll be opening the Disney Ice Cream Bars Series 2 Mystery Pins. These were released in February of 2026 and they are available in the parks for $44.99 per bag, and there are 5 pins in each bag. This is an open edition collection, and Series 1 came out back in 2018, and I believe those were available in the parks for like 4 years. So I'm expecting the Series 2 ones to be around for that long too. So this is a 16-pin collection, and the pin designs feature an ice cream bar themed to various Disney characters. And the pin designs we can get here are Genie, Rapunzel, Ariel, Alice, Dumbo, Sorcerer Mickey, Winnie the Pooh, Daisy Duck, Stitch, Mrs. Potts, Peter Pan, Pinocchio, Edna Mode, Eve, Mike Wazowski, and Buzz Lightyear. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 4 bags here to open up, which is 20 pins total. I would like to complete this entire collection, so I'm hoping that I can get a pretty good start here with these 4 bags. I do have Series 1 fully completed, so when I complete this collection, it'll look good to put them both on the same pin board. I think that would look pretty cool. So the ones I want the most here are probably Rapunzel, Peter Pan, and Edna Mode. So hopefully I complete them, but if I can't, those 3 would be pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one here with the scissors, just in case if I have to take pictures later. And these are loose in the bag, so they're not in their own individual bags. So let's see what we get. Pin 1, we get Alice. So we have Alice, and she's got her dress. She always, a lot of Alice pins like this always look like Homer Simpson to me. Just the colors, like the white shirt, the blue pants, and then the yellow skin. So we got Homer. Right, so we got Alice. I have another Alice pin up here somewhere that looks very similar. Oh, the donut. The donut and the kite. I mean, there's not much you can do with the Alice colors there. And pin 2, we have Rapunzel. Very cool. So we have Rapunzel. She's got her dress, and she's got some flowers on her neck. So a little bit more detail on this one than the Alice pin. Very cool. And the pin back on this one is like not pushed down at all. Sometimes you get that where these pin backs just don't go in all the way. All right, let's get pin 3. We have Dumbo. All right, Dumbo's a little bit wider here because he's got the red, I don't know what that is, skirt, collar. And then he's got his hat here on the top. And then of course, all of these have a little bite taken out of the right side, and then the ice cream's dripping down the side. So these will be really good with the Series 1 because they're the exact same design with the bite and the ice cream dripping. And pin 4, pin 4 has a big thing on the top. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm pretty sure that's going to be Genie's hair, and it is. So we have Genie, we have his little ponytail sticking up on the top, and it's all a blue ice cream bar, and he's got the belt, the red belt across there. Very simple design, but you can tell that's Genie. So it makes some of these pretty fun. And our last one in bag 1 is Ariel. So we have Ariel, we have the, looks like her dress or her fin, and then she's got her swimsuit top, and then the red, that'd probably be her hair, red hair. Very cool. So there we go. We got our 5 uniques, and these should be 5 unique pins in each bag. So these do make great bags if you just show up in the parks and you want to do some pin trading and you don't have pins. Getting these types of bags are great because you're going to get 5 unique pins. But once you get into bag 2, this could be the same 5. Oh, don't do that. Don't jinx myself. Oh no. Our first one is Rapunzel. Uh-oh. See, I had to say it. I have to. It's like, it's a tradition. I have to jinx myself, right? Okay. Let's not have any of these 4. Please be something different. Oh, it's different. It's Buzz. Buzz Lightyear. Now this one's pretty cool because it has a lot going on too. So this is Buzz's chest plate with all the buttons. You got the Star Command logo, and then you can see like his suit and his purple helmet there. Cool, so we got Buzz. We're moving in the right direction now. And the next one is, oh, it's another Genie. Now we're moving in the wrong direction. Okay. And this one is, it's Eve. Nice. That is cool. She makes a good ice cream bar here. We have Eve, and then you see her eyes right there, and then she's got the green light up light there that shows that she has the plant. All right, and then what do we got? Two more? One more. Okay, last one in bag 2 here. Ooh, I can see from the back it has something sticking up on one side, so this is new. Who sticks up like that? It's Mike. I was trying to think of like an antenna or something, but it's Mike. Mike Wazowski. So he's all green. He's got his one big eye right there in the middle, and that's one of the little horns sticking up. You don't see the other horn because, well, someone took a bite out of that side. So there we go. So after 2 bags, what are we at? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're at 8 after 2 bags. All right, just gonna rip this one. See what we get here. Oh, so the inside of the bag are reflective, and I can see through the reflection back at one of the pins, and I see blue and red. So that, I'm gonna grab it. It's gonna be Genie. So we have our 3rd Genie. So I don't know the math on that. I think we're close. We can't have any more doubles if we want to complete the collection. All right, let's see what we get here. I was like, that's huge, but it's 2. And this one is another Ariel. Okay, I see how this is gonna go. And the next one is another Rapunzel. Oh man. All right, so now this bag here, Genie, Rapunzel, Ariel, this is looking like it might be a duplicate bag as the first one. So we're gonna get Dumbo and Alice. And we get Buzz Lightyear. Well, at least it isn't a duplicate bag of the first one, but still, we have that one. And the last pin in this one, I can tell from the back, is Mike Wazowski. So that was a huge strikeout. We could have taken that bag and just thrown it away. So that's always the bummer part about this when you get doubles. So that bag's $44.99, and it was, I mean, yes, I still do have pins. Yes, I can trade them, I can sell them, but it just, when you're just trying to complete the collection, it feels like I just threw $45 away. So it kind of depends on how you look at it. All right, so last attempt here. We cannot complete the collection today. I do have one more of these coming. I bought it on Shop Disney or Disney Store. So I do have one more coming. So we'll see if that gets me any closer. And this one is Winnie the Pooh. All right, so we're at least moving in the good direction here. So this one is very simple. We just have kind of Winnie the Pooh's color, and then he has his red shirt. So very simple one there. And hopefully that's the start of a completely unique bag. And this one is Daisy Duck. Very cool. So another simple one here. We have white and that light purple back there. And then we have her pinkish purple bow. All right. And we got 3 left. This one is another Dumbo. So it wasn't a full unique bag. We actually have quite a good second row going on here. And last 2 pins. This one from the back. This one looks different. There's something sticking up on the top that's kind of square. We don't have any of those. So this one's different. It's good. And this one is Stitch. So Stitch, the thing sticking up on the top was a few little hairs coming off of his head there. And I love how he has his nose right there in the middle. That's cool. I like that one. All right. And so we have our last one, and it came out facing me, and it's a new one, and it's Sorcerer Mickey. So we have the like his robe, and we got the star and the moon. That is cool there too. So we finished strong, I think. We finished with 4 uniques in that last bag. So what did we end up with? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we got 12 out of the 16. So I think other than that third bag that we could have just tossed out, that was a pretty good unboxing, getting 12 out of the 16. So those were the Disney Ice Cream Bars Series 2 mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here. My favorite is probably, I got it down to 2. I think it's Rapunzel because I like, there's a lot more going on with that one. There's a lot of details to her dress and the 2 flowers there. And then the other one I really like is Eve, which is a lot more simple, but I just like that pin design. I don't have a lot of pins of Eve, and I just think she makes a really good ice cream bar. The shape of her matches the ice cream bar really well. So those are my 2 favorites here. So this was, I would say, a really good unboxing for me, getting 12 out of the 16. So I'm only missing 4 pins, and the 4 I'm missing, they're all together here on the bag. They are Mrs. Potts, Peter Pan, Pinocchio, and Edna Mode. So those are the 4 I need to complete this collection. And when I do complete this collection, I'll put them on a pin board with Series 1. Now I do have the Series 1 pins all spread out. Like I see a Cheshire Cat one up there in the corner. So I'm gonna have to go around and find all of those and get them all together and then put them on the same pin board as these, and then have them both completed and have a big pin board of ice cream bars, which will look really cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.